want to show y'all how to make your own sanitary cleaner. You can't, since you, I mean, all the stores are out now with the coronavirus. My mom washed with vinegar, wiped her counters down. She cleaned the house with vinegar, apple cider vinegar, white vinegar. I get white distilled vinegar. Use half a cup of vinegar, and then use a cup of water. Get yourself a cleaning rag. I use old washcloths. Soak it in there. Get you an airtight container, and I just use this Tupperware container here. Now there's another way you can do this. You can mix it. Then also I'll show you this. I gotta get some more paper towels if I can find them, and I'm gonna get some more vinegar because I'm out. And I'm going to use this old Lysol wipe. Wash it out, and this is what you do. You mix it up like I did. You can shake it up a little bit to get the vinegar and everything all mixed up. But, I mean, I just rinse that out and then put it back in the counter. I mean, put the rag back in there until the next time, but make sure you rinse the rag out good after you wiped. And you can put the paper towels. Get you a good sturdy paper towel like Viva or Bounty, and cut it in half. Stick it down into this container and pour the vinegar water on top of it. And get you some, like I said, good paper towels. And that'll make you some sanitary wipes too. You can just use the paper towel. Make sure you take the paper part out of the roll. Part out of the paper towel roll. The middle, and then take the, I'll have to show y'all that in another video, but just, you know, like take the middle part and string up the paper towel through, and then just use it like you would a wipe, and then you'll have sanitary wipes you can make for yourself. And a bottle of vinegar is not expensive at all. You can buy them bigger than that too. So, just thought I'd give y'all a little tip on how to make your own sanitary wipe. Now this is not disinfectant, it's just sanitary wipes. I researched it, and they are saying on, I think it was one of those medical sites that saying that vinegar and water wipes are not disinfectant, but they're sanitary wipes. So there you go. And if you want to know more about vinegar and apple cider vinegar, just Google it and give you the information what it's all good for. Just don't mix vinegar with bleach, please. Or any other kind of chemical. That's very bad idea. Very bad. Oh, I forgot to add one more thing that I want to share with y'all too. Is you can add a dish detergent with that. Put, I'd say probably about 4 or 5 drops in there. And then you can stir it up or just shake it up. want that all sealed, so. And that too, that helps with, you know. But, okay, so that's how, that's it. I also want to share with y'all about, the vinegar. You can also make it into a cleaning spray. Just get you a spray bottle. I got this spray bottle at the Dollar Tree. You can get it, I mean, you can get it in any store, an empty spray bottle, and they're not expensive. Now, this is a smaller kind of spray bottle, because that's the only size I could find. This is it's a metal one. It's a nice sturdy one. Anyway, how much did I put a quarter cup of vinegar, and then I filled it up with water, and then kind of like shake it, and then you can spray it on your counters. And also I spray it on in my shower and let it set for I don't know, I'll probably let it set for 10-15 minutes, and then you can just wipe your shower down with that. And then I spray it on your faucet, let it set, and then just wipe it down, and that way it'll sanitize that too. Just trying to give y'all some tips on what you can clean. You don't have to buy those expensive wipes. And this will, believe me, it's going to sanitize what you need done. I mean, and you have to wash your hands often, especially now. And, okay, I hope that these tips help you out. Like I said, I mean, my grandma used vinegar and water. My mom did. I mean, they used other cleaning supplies for the toilet or, the tub, bleach, mostly. But you don't never mix vinegar with bleach. Never, never, never. And, okay. I hope these tips help you.